Life is like a beautiful garden. Remember to pull the weeds and water the flowers. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start being excited about what could go right. Grief is the last act of love we have to give to those who we loved. Where there is deep grief, there was great love. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Give yourself space to really understand what you might need from the day rather than what the day needs from you. Nobody is ever too busy. If they were interested, they will make time. No one is coming to save you. This life of yours is 100% your responsibility. Chance depends on circumstances, but choice depends on your attitude. Train yourself to take nothing personally. Today I refuse to stress myself out about things I cannot control or change.